I say it often. I'm never uncomfortable saying it. Our core business is teaching and learning. But in order for us to do that well, it has everything to do with where we dwell for the purpose of learning. And for this body of work, it is in the schoolhouse. And a $10.7 million refurbishment matters. And that's what we're here to celebrate this morning at this place, at this time. Principal Trimble. So relative to the work that we do in Atlanta Public Schools, one of the things I always like to emphasize is that our core business is teaching and learning. But in order for us to effectively do that, we have to invest strategically in our facilities. Over the last several days here in the South Atlanta cluster, we've done just that. We've displayed responsible stewardship with our SPLOST dollars so that we've done renovations, as you know, as well as renaming. What we see and experience in that is that our scholars appreciate the space where they learn. Our teachers are also inspired. We create environments where our scholars and teachers can co-create. And it's also a testament to the community. Our community sees us. They know that we're serious about education, and it's inviting for them to join in and be a partner in this work.
We really want to truly be a STEM school. So we have our assessment in February to gain STEM certification. However, for us, that's just the beginning. So we want to be a fully integrated STEM school, and so that's the work that's in front of us.
The school was built in 1940, and it was one of the first and oldest schools in Atlanta Public Schools, and went through renovations here and there, but to see the condition of the building within the modern day, it definitely, we fought for the renovation that it needs.
There was a special feature that I left behind. It was my special project. Instead of a computer lab, I converted it to a game room. Like a little Dave and Buster's, a ping pong, air hockey, a skee ball, doll houses, a doll center. Lots of things to really want students to come to school and meet their goals, both academic and discipline goals, behavior goals, just whatever goal the school has for them, mainly attendance, come. They can share in that space.